The green industry in HVAC design, unearthing a new way HVAC design has blended with green initiatives in an exciting new way. This is partly because HVAC needed to rebound from the recession and figure out a new way to do business going forward. And that is just what the industry has done. Now the real estate market is showing some signs of picking up again. Especially residential real estate looks promising for growth going forward in the near and distant future, so that means that there will be more big jobs that will need HVAC to progress. The green industry and HVAC design have come together to create new opportunities for a new future. The main advantage of the merger between the green industry and HVAC design is of course the incentives that have been offered by the government for residential contractors and builders to start to look at and practice green principles in their design initiatives. While there have been sectors of the industry around HVAC that have lagged and have not recovered from the economy, that continue to suffer from high rates of rejection, this is not true for the push to get green certified going into the future. Everyone today wants to know how to save both money and time, and of course if the government is offering you an incentive to cut your heating and cooling expenses, it just makes good sense to figure out how to do that as soon as possible. In the western United States, particularly, there have been several reports of HVAC manufacturers going green and focusing completely on ecologically based solutions. For instance, some furnace repair companies are opting to install energy-saving devices rather than do yet another routine repair on a faulty furnace. So HVAC has found another unique way to market itself. This alliance between the green industry and HVAC design bodes well for all individuals involved. Homeowners and residential building owners can rest easy knowing they are getting the best system for their dollar and the most energy efficient one too. Environmentalists are pacified and opportunities continues to grow and thrive. Every homeowner wants a house that's warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Nobody prefers a home that's cold in the winter and hot in the summer. This is why most people choose to have central heating and air conditioning units installed in their houses. But while this is a familiar decision to make initially, how each unique homeowner proceeds will be determined on their home, and how competently it is able to utilize energy. This presents the issue of heat decrease and heat increase, which must be acknowledged in order to design a heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, system that will function efficiently in that specific house. Heat loss and heat gain in a home is based on a few factors. First, it is based a lot on the temperature in the region. Those who live in the desert are much more focused on keeping the home cool during a summer day than they usually are with maintaining it warm at night. But they also must have their HVAC systems to keep their homes warm in the winter, when desert climate can fall to below zero. Conversely, those who live in colder climes may be more focused on keeping their houses warm in the winter, and may not be concerned about keeping cool in the summer. It's a pretty sure bet that governments will aim to increase subsidies and incentives in the future for even more green opportunities, and particularly a further alliance between the green industry and HVAC design. Even the more skeptical comfort system installers are starting to understand that changes are underway. It looks good to stay up with the needs of the larger community and even the world at large. In the end, it will just mean a stronger business configuration for the HVAC companies that are wise enough to get in the game early. Savoy Engineering Group offers ACA-certified manual J8 load calculations, manual S HVAC equipment selection and manual D-duct design services performed by master's level engineer using ACA-certified RightSoft universal software based on manual J8. Savoy Engineering Group has been providing manual J, S and D service for 6 years and has completed 3,500 plus projects. We are fast, accurate and affordable. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Eugene_Wilson_Palasko/1088103